So as part of our design and development brief, we've looked at the sustainability elements and how we can improve, one, the thermal performance, and two, the energy efficiencies of the development. We have implemented additional insulation to all the external walls, which will reduce the energy consumption of these apartments. All the apartments will have their own individual electric water heaters. It's a really sustainable way of heating. It's moving away from gas, which the government are trying to reduce our fossil fuel footprint and try and meet the reduction in carbon emissions. And we've made sure that the mechanical and electrical elements are really energy efficient. We wanted to propose something that was very sort of bespoke, contemporary, and also enhance the area as a whole. We're currently going through the technical design process where we're looking at the steel frame, foundation design, and then also the full structural design right the way from ground all the way up to the roof. We've aspired to be as sustainable as possible for this development. That there is certain criteria for building control, and we're hoping to go above and beyond the minimum requirements and make sure that it's future-proofing, not just for our needs but also for the future generation as well.
Harry come recommended to me from a good business associate of mine who'd worked with Harry previously. I'd seen some of Harry's previously work, liked what he'd done, met Harry, liked him as a person, and engaged with Harry on his contract.
When we were appointed for the technical design, we have looked at the building as a whole to, one, look at how we can improve the thermal performance and reduce the energy consumption for each unit that will be proposed here. All the external walls have all been taken out, taken back to brick, and these external walls will then be lined with additional insulation. The roofs will be thermally enhanced, and then also the floors to make sure that the sound and then also thermal performance between the floors as well will be significantly improved as well.
Harry produced a lot of visual stuff, previous projects as well that he was that are similar to this that he's completed. He explained exactly how it would run with him from concept right through to the build and completion.
There is a requirement for building regulations where you have to meet a minimum requirement for conforming to Part L of the building regulations. However, on any project that we manage and we're involved in the technical stages, we do like to try and go that little bit more and above and beyond for the sustainability credentials. We wanted to bring a bespoke design to the table for this project with the main focus on being sustainability. The external envelope of the dwellings are slate-styled cladding, standing seam zinc panelling, and then large areas of glazing and curtain walling system. Internally will be designed using top-of-the-range kitchens, which will complement the scheme, advances in technology and design support, outstanding sustainability and environmental credentials. Entertainment and communication future-proofing is supported with wiring, multifunction rooms, sound systems, IT, smartphones, controlled lighting systems, controlled heating and security. Sustainability is going to be right at the forefront of this development, and many options. We've explored several options in how we're going to introduce sustainability to this site. 3 of the 4 dwellings will have a south-facing gardens. The external envelope of the buildings have been designed to exceed the requirements of the latest building regulations, which in turn will result in low thermal losses. To improve the production on site and enhance the building's fabrics, timber frame structures will be used to reduce the carbon footprint during construction and occupation. I love seeing design come to reality, and that to me really gives me the buzz and excitement for any development that we do, whether that's small scale affordable housing right the way through to luxury living, and kind of seeing that design come to life. It really does show, and it really excites me and what gives my passion for what we do and what we enjoy doing.